Hi, so tell me about yourself. Currently I am a 19-year-old veterinary science technology student here at SUNY Delhi in my last semester, and I'm planning to graduate this spring and specialize in wildlife and exotics, and hopefully apply that to your practice. First question. What three qualities have you seen in other veterinary professionals that you would most like to emulate, and why do you feel these qualities are important? The first quality I would say that's pretty important is communication. Communication between everyone on the team is crucial for for everyone involved to understand what's going on with each patient to properly treat the patient. And yeah, a second quality that's pretty important is just being compassionate. You have to have compassion to be in this field. You have to love what you're doing, love treating animals, helping people. And if you don't, then I don't think this field is for you. A third quality I would say is pretty important as well is problem solving skills. That's a big one. That's a part of being a vet tech. You're gonna have all these problems to face every day, on a day-to-day basis, and yeah, you're gonna be presented with all these problems, and you're gonna have to be able to think critically and like on the spot, and fix it and just come to a solution. And so that's pretty important. Second question, explain why effective client communication is important for all members of a veterinary medical team. Effective client communication is very important. It's basically when the veterinarian is able to know the pet well enough to make a diagnosis and treat the animal, and for the veterinary technician to convey that information to a client, and for the client to be able to fully understand what's happening with their animal, and yeah, like on their part, like they may need to, depending on the case, they may need to do home care for their pets, because not everything can just be treated in the clinic. The client may need to do something on their part at home to help the pet. Like I know for me, my family, we have a diabetic cat that needs insulin injections every day, twice a day. So, and we have to truly like understand what to do and be comfortable with it too. And that ties into the whole communication thing with the team, which is the VCPR. So, yeah, like the VCPR is the veterinary client patient relationship, which is basically everything I just mentioned. That's what the term is for that. And last question, why you should hire me? I have a lot to offer your practice. I feel like I've had a bunch of animal experience in BOCES for 2 years. I've done FFA veterinary science competition through BOCES. I've done Skills USA. I've done a couple internships, one being a small animal practice and the other being a wildlife and ecology center, which saw wildlife animals, exotics, and farm animals there, which is pretty cool. and I've done veterinary science here at SUNY Delhi, and I've also done extra courses here in exotics and primatology, which is pretty unique. I don't think most have, because that's what I'm mostly interested in. So, yeah. And I feel like I have a lot to offer your team. I would be a great team member. I'm very understanding, motivated, determined, willing to help, and everything. And I hope I can apply all my skills to your practice. And thank you so much for your time and consideration. And I will be sending you a follow-up email. All right, bye.